Hi, this is Jamie from LeadPro Systems, and I'm going to walk you through the social planner today. This is how to schedule a post for social media, and we will get started. So right now I'm in the marketing section. I'm going to go up here to social planner, and I have the option to create a new post. I'm going to click new post, and right now it's pretty blank. I have to go up here to choose which accounts I want to post to. So I've got Facebook and Instagram hooked up. I have my copy written on a separate page, so I'm going to copy and paste that. Sometimes the formatting isn't great, so you got to fix it. And you get your preview over here. So right now I don't have an image uploaded yet. I'm going to do that right now. So I can see a preview of my image and all the platforms I've selected. If I want to customize it so it's different on Instagram and Facebook, I can do that here. You just toggle the little switch. I didn't change anything, so that's fine. I'll change it back. So this is a static post. If I wanted to add a reel, I could do that here. You just toggle the radio button. And I have the option to save it as a draft for later, or I can post. If you click the arrow here, you get an option to post it now, schedule it, send post for approval, or you can schedule reoccurring posts. The approval option is nice if you've got clients that you need to schedule for and you want them to sign off on how this looks before it goes live to their account. But I own this account, so I'm going to schedule it myself. And we'll schedule it for tomorrow. I can choose which time I want. Post them early so everybody can see it. And schedule. Post created successfully. It'll show me right here. It was posted for the 3rd. Now I already had one ready to go for this date, so I'm going to delete one. I have the option to clone, edit, or delete. Let's say I made a mistake. I don't want to do this, and I can delete it. Or if I really like how a different post looked, I can clone it. I can reselect the accounts I want to use. Maybe I just want to change the copy or change the date. I can do that too. But it's already good to go, so I'm not going to do anything there. So for reel, let's look at what this one looks like. I have reel toggled here. You can see the preview of the animation. This thumbnail is not supported for whatever reason. But that's it. So you can add a little bit of content right here with a link if you want. And I have it scheduled for the 6th. If I want to change the date, I can do that too. I can save my edits. If I want to see one option at a time, I can do that over here. And that's all you have to do. If you want to look at the statistics of how these posts are performing, you can do that under statistics. We haven't posted anything yet, so we'll check in later and see how those posts did. In the content, if I had scheduled things for approval, I can check on them here in the approval tab under content. So I can see if the client actually approved it, if they want me to change something, or if they rejected it. If I have a template library, I can go in, select images that are in my library, and add the content. RSS posts go to text. If somebody else scheduled these and they want me to review them, I can go here and look at those. And recurring posts are where if I have a recurring book a demo post I want every week, I could schedule that here. In the CSV option, you can upload things with a CSV like content, number of posts. But mostly we just use the planner. That's all.